All right, welcome once again. So this is a continuation of direction. All right, I think yesterday I did a very good job. I have to clap for myself. All right, but I realized that there's still something that I needed to hammer on. Okay, all right, so it's about this particular screen. What you see here, right, I've already explained scenario 1, scenario 2, and scenario 3. We need to understand that scenario 1 and scenario 2 are the same. Okay, why are they the same? All right, so here we are looking at scenario 2, a single candlestick breakout. Okay, so there's a breakout. When we are seeing this, a monthly resistance that has been broken out by a monthly candle. A monthly candle has been able to close above that particular level. In the same instance, we have a breakout also here. All right, but what this one has is that after the monthly breakout, all right, price created a daily breakout. All right, and you know that we said a confirmation of a breakout or a rejection is 2 time frame lower breakout, right? Okay, so now monthly has broken out. So why is daily giving us a reversal pattern? Right, so that's the same thing that is here. You see, we have broken out, but here, okay, price broke out. So what we are saying is that here there's also a reversal pattern, right? But once there's a reversal pattern on the lower time frame after a higher time frame breakout, it's just a sign, not a sign of reversal, it's a sign of pullback, right? So I explain again. So we have a resistance on the daily, let's say daily, right? D1. So a D1 candle, instead of rejecting, closes above it, okay, and then maybe continues going up. This time around I'll do it 2 candles. Okay, so these are 2 daily candles that have broken this level. Now here we find out that a 1 hour chart has given us a reversal pattern, okay, without a rejection, but it has given us, or with a small rejection, it has given us what? A reversal pattern. Now what I'm trying to explain is that this reversal pattern is not an entire reversal of this trend, but rather a pullback, right? So you see that in this particular diagram, right, we have a breakout. So on the lower time frame, we assume that we have a breakout on the opposite side, and so when we have this and there's a breakout, we know that it is a pullback. Okay, so it's going to pull back. So that's what we have here. But if it's the opposite, instead of having a breakout here, we had a rejection, okay, of the S&R, and then we had a reversal pattern. Then we can see that, right, this is a full reversal. So that's the difference. I think I explained it, but I didn't hit it that hard, right? So that is it. So a breakout plus, so it's like this, BO, okay, of S&R plus BO, lower time frame BO on the opposite side is what? A pullback. Rejection plus breakout, this kind of breakout, right, signifies what? Total reversal. All right, so I promise that today we'll do some examples. So we'll go to the chart and then we'll try and do some examples. Okay, so first let's look at direction, right? Direction on the weekly. Okay, weekly. Where am I supposed to get this example from? Okay, so I want to take my example from somewhere this side, recent chart on the weekly. Okay, so I use the replay mode so that at least you understand it properly. All right, so somewhere around this level, okay, we have an SNR. We have an SNR. Okay, so this is a bearish SNR, so we expect to get a sell from this level. Okay, we expect to get a sell from this level. All right, now if we decide to sell from here, okay, where is going to be the closest SNR on the opposite side? It is going to be this. Okay, and the next one after it is going to be this one. Okay, so if you get a sell here, this is our first point of exit. You can also mark this particular one. Okay, these are going to be our first point where we start becoming scared, because why? This is the SNR on the opposite side. All right, so if this is the SNR, then we expect weekly to reject the weekly, right? So we want to see a weekly candle touch. So a weekly candle has touched and has closed below. This is a rejection. Okay, then after the rejection, what do you want to see? You want to see that 2 time frame lower, okay, has a breakout. And I told you guys that yes, most people use the 1 time frame lower because that's the most accurate, but I prefer the 2 time frame lower because it allows you to enter early, right? So don't worry about why I chose this SNR. Which SNR should you choose? No, we are going to do that in subsequent videos, right? So now we reject. So since we have rejected, we go 2 time frame lower. So 2 time frame lower from weekly